Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change Steam region. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course open up Steam into your desktop, and from here just go to your account name over here. And now once you are on your account name, just simply go ahead and go for general over here. And after that, you should be able to see here the location. And as you can see, my country is not yet displayed. So from here, just click on this. And after that, a drop down will show up. And from here, you will have a lot of options that you can choose from. So just choose what you preferred. And after that, you can also provide the state or the province over here down below. And from there, once you are done, just simply scroll down and click on the save over here. So now if you want to change the storefront region, just simply go over here, manage account, and from here just go for account details. And from here guys, in order for you to change the store region, what you could try to do is try using a VPN. So guys, what I recommend is using a VPN. So guys, currently I use Surfshark, but you can also use other VPN of your choice. And from here, just simply select the country or search the country that you like. So I'm gonna go for United. And from here, as you can see, you will have multiple options that you can choose from. And after that, just simply go for Quick Connect over here. And after that, once you have used a VPN to change your region, just simply go for Update Store Country over here. So from here, guys, as you can see, you will have here an instruction on how to update your store and wallet country. And there you go. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to change it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.